यादव और आप देख रहे हैं नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज। स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का हमारे आज के इस बेहद खास प्रोग्राम में। हाल ही में बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री सोनाली बेंद्रे पहुंची 5th इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस कहो कौन 2019 पर। यहां पर सोनाली बेंद्रे ने काफी सारी बातचीत की, लेकिन दोस्तों सबसे बड़ी बात यहां पर ये नजर आई कि बोलते बोलते काफी ज्यादा इमोशनल होती हुई सोनाली बेंद्रे यहाँ पर दिखाई दी। सोनाली बेंद्रे ने यहाँ पर क्या बातें की हैं ये तो आप जानेंगे ही, लेकिन इसके अलावा आपको हम बताना चाहेंगे कि बीते दिनों सोनाली बेंद्रे अपने कैंसर को लेकर खबरों में रही। सोनाली बेंद्रे को लेकर उनके फैंस ने तमाम दुआएं की। सोनाली बेंद्रे जहां न्यूयॉर्क में अपना इलाज करा रही थी अपने कैंसर का, तो वहीं कैंसर से वो बाहर आए, कैंसर से निजात पालें, इसके लिए फैंस ने तमाम दुआएं बीते दिनों की थी। लेकिन इस बार कैसे सोनाली बेंद्रे को देखा गया है और इमोशनल वो दिखाई दी हैं, आइए आपको इस वीडियो के जरिए दिखाते हैं और साथ ही दिखाते हैं कि कैसे सोनाली बेंद्रे ने कुछ बातें साझा की हैं यहाँ पर लोगों के साथ।
First of all, good afternoon everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. Dr. Patankar, Dr. Patkar and Dr. Agarwal, they've been strong pillars in this journey of mine and somewhere have been part of the beginning of this phase of my life, I would say, because it is a different phase. And my husband and me joke, we say BC and AC, that's before cancer and after cancer. It's like a different lifetime. Like you said that, I don't think I'm a champion in the sense of kind of trying to, my voice is much softer than what was going on before. I'm not doing here, sorry about that. I can't really shout so much, but you were right about it, that we need to demand. And what happened was that I did not look at what was happening to me and did not ask too many questions as I should have. Couple of points to that. Probably it comes from the fact that as women, without knowing in the subconscious, we are all taught Sahin Shakti bahut achhi baat hoti hai. So you're taught that, you know what, be tough, bear the pain. You have to bear a child, bear the pain. We are all being told that somewhere. So you kind of internalize that and you're always thinking that, you know what, I can bear the pain and you can go on. And I kept telling myself that I'm putting in an 18-hour day. So obviously I'm fine, I'm not dying, but I was. And when I look back and I say, how did I do that? So then the question was that why did I put up with this pain? What was I waiting for me to collapse? To understand what my body was trying to tell me. So it comes down to that the body was sending me signals. I was not looking at it as I should have looked at it. Half of the time we say that, yeah, but I've told my doctor, so it should be okay. But we forget doctors are human beings too, and they're looking at, especially in our country, the kind of patients they're looking at, and the kind of numbers they're looking at. It's really not possible for them, to blame everything on doctors and say, why did they not? I mean, how can they? It's my own body which was telling me and I did not listen to it, so why expect somebody else to? So I think we're already putting on a lot of burden where doctors are concerned. So that's where it started for me, not listening to the signals. Went in for a what would you call it, a TCRE procedure, because these are the medical terms that I know of and which here this room people will understand. But yeah, and we were suddenly we discovered that there was something in there which was causing this whole thing all this while. And we came out of there and then we discovered that it was not just there, it was all over. It was spreading really fast and it had spread to a lot of areas, and basically it was the 4th stage. So I don't know how I had pulled it off till then, but that was the shocker.
Please give her a standing ovation.
So you have to do that. But thank you so much. I was really petrified about being here in front of all the doctors and talking on this medical terms. But I mean what I said over here, that if there is any way that I can in my way help out, and which is if me talking about something helps out, I would love to get the data on it and be the person who talks about it. But until I know it myself, so there needs to be a place from where I can get it. So if I can be provided with that, I would love to focus on it and kind of amplify it, as you say. But I don't know it. I'm not a medical person, so I'm a lay person. I need to be told that, and I'm happy to learn. Thank you so much.
All I'd say is thank you very much.
Thank you.
And may God bless you with a healthy and a long life.
Thank you.
God bless.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.